Hello everyone, and thank you for checking out your latest weather update here for Indianapolis. After a rainy Monday, more beneficial rain, our Tuesday will start gloomy. We'll have some scattered showers, a couple thunderstorms possible here in the morning. So a damp start to the day. We'll keep a chance for some scattered showers around at lunchtime. I do think it'll be very scattered here. And then as we go through the afternoon, what happens is that a cold front's going to pass. And once that front passes, we will start to notice skies starting to clear up as we go into the evening hours on our Tuesday. By 5 p.m., I'm going to go partly cloudy. I think we're dry by that point forward here. And as we go into Tuesday evening, we're going to see pretty nice weather settling in. So tomorrow starts gloomy, but I think before the day's over, we're going to get back to some sunshine out there. High in the low 80s tomorrow. Here's a look at the forecast radar. And now I have this looping from about midnight tonight all the way through about 8 p.m. tomorrow. And I want you to notice we start tomorrow here with some scattered showers. They come back in as we go throughout the pre-dawn hours here. And just a few showers as we go through the day before about 3 p.m. And then I think from there on, we likely see that threat shift to our east. It's not going to be a washout of a day. But again, the day starts gloomy, but ends much brighter here. And here's that latest 7-day forecast. Look at the rest of the week. This is what we get to look forward to. Again, after the gloomy Monday we had, things are looking up. We have sunshine for Wednesday. Look at the temperature of 77 degrees. We'll have temperatures in the upper 50s on Thursday morning, a high of 80 degrees with sunny skies on our Thursday. Be sure to enjoy it here. And I think Friday and Saturday are pretty nice too. 83 on Friday, a little warmer, partly cloudy skies as we go throughout our Saturday. I put in just a 20% shower chance. I think the best chance right now is depicted to be north of us here. We're going to go partly to at times mostly cloudy. Temperature wise, we're going to go 79 for now. A model showing a pretty big range in those temperatures from north to south. So that may adjust some as we get closer. So be sure to check back. Sunday, best chance for rain, but it's still only a very widely scattered chance. So I think most of Labor Day weekend's dry, guys. But just know there is at least a chance that's worth mentioning, and right now I think the best chance would be on our Sunday. But overall, an early look at Labor Day weekend, it'll be overall not too hot. Temperatures fairly pleasant, and just a chance for a couple thunderstorms. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.